New era is beginning in Knoxville as a former prosecutor adjusts to his new role as judge of the Knox County Criminal Court Division 2.
And after taking the oath of office, Hector Sanchez is now Tennessee's first ever trial court judge of Hispanic heritage. 6 on your side's Wes Cooper is live in the studio with us. And Wes, Judge Sanchez appears that he's just ready to get to work.
Exactly right, Don. He's going to be taking the bench later this month. Right now, he's getting things organized before he starts handing down rulings.
I'm excited to serve the citizens of Knox County as the first Hispanic trial court judge. I think inclusion is very important. I think diversity on the bench is important.
While he's ready and excited to serve, Judge Hector Sanchez also says getting there was a long road.
I did grow up with a single mother of 4 children in public housing with government assistance. I could have very easily went a different way.
Sanchez taking his oath of office earlier this week after Tennessee Governor Bill Lee appointed him as the 6th Judicial District Criminal Court Judge.
I came from the district attorney's office where I acted as an advocate. That is something that I obviously will not be in a position to do, nor will I do. I have to look at cases, individual cases, and every case I handle differently. Again, I have to look at it as a neutral and detached magistrate.
While working under Judges Bob McGee and Kyle Hickson, Sanchez says he's learned a lot, and he says some of the things he's learned as a Marine are going to translate into his courtroom.
In the Marine Corps, we kind of operate under core values, those being honor, courage, and commitment. And those are things that every day I try to apply to every situation that I'm involved in. It's something that's ingrained into you in boot camp, and it's something that I still, of course, have ingrained in me today.
Judge Sanchez will manage a docket with more than 1,000 criminal cases a year. He's expected to start presiding over court on October 17th. Don.
All right, Wes, thank you very much. Despite being excited as the new criminal court judge, Sanchez very humble, according to Wes, and thanking his mother and leading him in the right direction. We should know that Sanchez earned his law degree at UT. He entered, and he's been interned and then worked for the Knox County DA's office.